Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about app lock option not showing on your iPhone after iOS 18 update. Guys, when you long press on any app but app lock not showing after iOS 18 update, so how to fix this problem? So keep watching this video until you can see my iPhone is updated on iOS 18 update, guys. So guys, for any reason you have to turn off Face ID or passcode due to which this option is not showing on your iPhone. So guys, go back and simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode, and now scroll down, and if you have Face ID, if you have to passcode, set up any which you want and enter your passcode. It means set up your passcode. After set up passcode, simply close this window and again try for locking the app. Here you can see required passcode option is available after set up Face ID or passcode. You can see appears on screen. Now you can lock any app on your iPhone by this manner. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.